In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Then select this gray switcher at the top to activate it, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, wait for the pop-up and select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!